Welcome back to Sarsiado TV. Today, we're making fish sarciado, a Filipino classic where crispy milkfish meets a silky tomato and egg sauce. This recipe is a delicious fusion of Spanish, Chinese, and Filipino flavors, perfect for family meals or whenever you crave something comforting. Ingredients: 6 small whole milkfish, Bangus, cleaned and lightly salted. 1 medium onion, diced. 3 to 5 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, julienned, optional but traditional. 3 to 6 large ripe tomatoes, diced. 2 cups water. 2 to 3 large eggs, lightly beaten. Fish sauce, patties, or salt, and ground black pepper to taste. Chopped spring onions or leeks for garnish. Procedure: rub the fish with salt and fry in oil over medium-high heat until golden brown and crispy on both sides, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Remove and place on strainer to drain excess oil. In the same pan, leave 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Sauté garlic and onions until fragrant and translucent. Add the tomatoes and cook for 5 to 8 minutes, mashing them with the back of a spoon until soft and saucy. Pour in water and season with fish sauce and pepper. Bring to a boil, then lower heat to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, slowly drizzle in the beaten eggs. Stir gently to create ribbons or small soft curdles rather than large scrambled chunks. Carefully return the fried fish to the pan. Simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes to let the flavors absorb. Add ginger if desired. Garnish with spring onions and serve immediately with hot steamed rice. And there you have it, your delicious, comforting fish sarciado, ready to enjoy with hot steamed rice. Face savoring food. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Sarsiado TV favorites. Share your Sarciado moments with us, and we'll see you next time for another Filipino classic.